Hello everyone, welcome back to Pably. So in today's video we will understand how to add Facebook lead ads leads to Freshdesk CRM. So here let's suppose that I am promoting my business with the help of Facebook lead ads. Here my objective is that whenever I am going to receive a new lead through Facebook lead ads, then I want to add that lead as a contact in my Freshdesk CRM. So now to do this, I need to build a connection between these two applications, for which I'm going to use this amazing automation software, that is Pably Connect. Pably Connect follows the concept of trigger and action. So here to do this, my trigger application will be Facebook lead ads and my action application will be Freshdesk. So if you want to learn more about this, follow me through the screen. In this video, we will understand how to add Facebook lead ads leads to Freshdesk CRM. So here let's say that I have an event management company, and to promote the events I'm using Facebook lead ads. Here my objective is that whenever I'm going to receive a new lead through Facebook lead ads, then I want to create that lead as a contact in my Freshdesk CRM account. So now to automate this entire process, I'm going to use this amazing automation software, that is Pably Connect. So this here is the homepage of Pably Connect, and in order to reach this homepage, you just have to type in pably.com/connect in your browser. So here you can see two options. So as I have an existing account, so I'm going to sign in. But if you are a new user, you can click on the sign up for free button, and every month you will get 100 tasks for free. So as an existing user, I'm going to sign in. Now this here is the all applications page by Pably. So here I will go to Pably Connect and click on access now in order to reach my dashboard. In the meanwhile, subscribe to our channel. So this here is my dashboard, and now in order to create a new workflow, I will go to my right hand side corner and click on this create workflow button. So now in this dialog box appearing, I need to give my workflow a name. So here I've named it as add Facebook lead ads leads to Freshdesk CRM. And on my left hand side, you can see that these are the folders which I've created before. So I want to save this workflow in the folder named as Facebook lead ads Freshdesk automation, because this is an automation for Facebook lead ads to Freshdesk. So here I'm going to click on create. So as I did that, now I have arrived on a very important window which consists of trigger and action. So basically, trigger and action are the two most important principles or concepts of Pably Connect on which this entire automation will depend. Trigger says when this happens, action says do this. Action is an automated response of a trigger application, and in a workflow you can only have one trigger but multiple action applications. So now moving to my objective, that is to add Facebook leads in my Freshdesk CRM. So I want that whenever I'm going to receive a new lead through Facebook lead ads, then I want to create that lead as a contact in my Freshdesk CRM. So here I'm going to go to my trigger window, and over here I'm going to search for Facebook lead ads as my trigger application. Here it is. And the trigger event will be new lead instant. So this trigger will start working whenever I'm going to receive a new lead through Facebook lead ads. So now moving to my action window, as I want to create that lead as a contact in my Freshdesk CRM. So over here I'm going to search for Freshdesk as my action application, and the action event will be to create a new contact. So as you can see that I have selected my action application and the action event along with my trigger application and the trigger event. So now to automate this entire process, I will go to my trigger window, and over here I need to establish a connection between Facebook lead ads and Pably Connect. So here I'm going to click on connect. And now if you have an existing connection, you can go with the same, or you can simply add a new connection. So now I'm going to add a new connection. I've already opened Facebook lead ads in one of the tabs. So here I'm going to click on connect, and the authorization was successful. So here you can see that Facebook lead ads and Pably Connect is successfully connected. So now moving to the page and the lead gen form. So here I need to select the page that I've created for my company and the lead gen form which is associated with the page. So this here is the Facebook page for my event management company. So over here in Pably Connect, from this drop down, I'm going to search for my page that is by the name of Sparkle Evenings. Here it is. After selecting the page, now moving to the lead gen form. So over here in Meta Business Suite, these are the lead ad forms which I've created before. So I want to use this lead ads form that is by the name of new leads form, and this is how the form looks like. So here in Pably Connect, from this drop down, I'm going to select my form, that is new leads form. So once I've selected the page and the lead gen form associated with it, here I'm going to click on save and send test request. So as I did that, here you can see it is waiting for webhook response. That means now I need to do a test submission or record so that the data can be recorded here in Pabbly Connect. So now in order to do a test submission, I will go to this new tab and over here I'm going to search for Meta for Developers. And here I will go to the page. And here in Meta for Developers, I will go to More and I will go to Tools. And here under Developer Tools, I will go to this Lead Ads RTO Debug tool. So this here is the Lead Ads testing tool and this tool is going to test our connection. So from this page drop down, I'm going to search for my page and here it is. After selecting the page, I'm going to select the form associated with it and here I'm going to click on Preview Form. So over here in this form, I filled in the details and now I'm going to click on Next. I will submit this. And here it says, thanks, you are all set. Your test lead has been sent. That means the test lead which I have just created right now would have been sent to Pabbly Connect. So now I'm going to take you to Pabbly Connect. And yes, over here you can see that just now I have received a response. So over here you can see the details. Here's the contact number, email, first name, last name, created date and time along with some other details. So over here in Pabbly Connect, I have successfully got the details of the lead which I have just created. So the first step of this automation is set up. That means now whenever I'm going to receive a new lead through Facebook lead ads, then automatically the lead details will get captured over here in Pabbly Connect. So this trigger will instantly capture the new incoming data and the workflow execution will start in real time. So as I've got the lead details, now by using these details, I wish to create a contact in my Freshdesk CRM. So now in order to do that, I need to establish a connection between Freshdesk and Pabbly Connect. So here I'm going to click on Connect. And if you have an existing connection, you can go with the same or you can simply add a new connection. So to add a new connection, you have to mention the API key and your Freshdesk account password along with the Freshdesk domain. So here you can see that the help desk is given below. So read it carefully because this will help you to get the Freshdesk subdomain and the API key. So now I'm going to take you to my Freshdesk account and over here in Freshdesk. So here in the URL, this here is the subdomain given. So I'm just going to copy it as per the instructions and over here in Pabbly Connect, I'm going to paste it. So to mention the API key over here in Freshdesk, I will go to my profile and here I will go to profile settings. And here in profile settings, I'm going to click on view API key. So this here is my API key. I'm going to copy it. If you want to reset the API key, you can click on this reset API key button and make a new one. So over here in Pabbly Connect, I'm going to paste it. So here in Freshdesk account password field, I'm going to mention my password of my Freshdesk account and then I'm going to click on save. So here I've mentioned the API key, entered my account password and mentioned the subdomain. Now I'm going to click on save. And you can see that the authorization was successful and Freshdesk and Pabbly Connect is successfully connected. So now moving to these details. So here to mention the details in these fields, I'm going to use a method that is called as mapping. So basically mapping means to insert the data from previous step. So as I've received these details from Facebook lead ads, so over here in these fields, I'm going to map it. So as I've got the full name, email and the phone number. So here I've mapped these details and as I've not received these details, so I'm going to leave these fields blank. So this method of mapping is important so that every time I'm going to receive a new response, so that response could be taken into consideration in these fields. If I would have written this information manually, in that case, this information could have become static, which means that it wouldn't change even if I would have received a new response. So to avoid that problem, we map the information. So as I've mapped the details which I've received from the response, and now I'm going to click on Save and Send Test Request. And here you can see that I have received the response and over here this is a positive response. So here you can see the details of the contact. That means a contact has been successfully created in my Freshdesk CRM. So I'm going to take you to my Freshdesk account. So here in Freshdesk CRM, under all contacts, a new contact is successfully created by the name of demo user. Here's the email address and this here is the phone number. So right now this is an unverified contact. So for verification, you have to send an activation email. So as my objective was that whenever I'm going to receive a new lead through Facebook lead ads, then automatically by using the lead details, a contact should be created in my Freshdesk account. So over here, you can see that a contact has been successfully created. So this automation was a successful one. That means now whenever I'm going to receive a new lead through Facebook lead ads, then by using the lead details, a contact will be created in my Freshdesk account. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Not just these applications, you can integrate a lot more applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. So if you have any doubts regarding Pabbly, reach us at support@pabbly.com, and if you have any queries, you can visit us at forum.pabbly.com. If you have any pricing related query, you can visit this link. So if you like this video, please share it with your friends and colleagues, and do not forget to like, share and subscribe our channel.